This is Creative Problem Solving Set 1, problem number 14. Compute sine of 2x when 11 sine of x equals 12 cosine of x. Now compute means to calculate, so we're going to find the value of sine of 2x using the equation written here. First, we're going to divide both sides by cosine of x. Now sine over cosine of x equals tangent of x. So we have 11 times tangent of x. The cosines on this side of the equation cancel each other out and you're left with 12. Now we're going to divide both sides by 11. The 11's on this side of the equation cancel out and you're left with tangent of x equals 12 over 11. Now I'm going to create a right triangle with angle x, and since this is tangent of x, which means it's opposite over adjacent, so 12 will be opposite of x and 11 will be adjacent to the angle of x. Now I'm going to solve for this side of the triangle using a squared plus b squared equals c squared for the Pythagorean theorem. And we're going to have a equals 12, 11 equals b, and c is the hypotenuse. So 12 squared plus 11 squared equals c squared. 12 squared is 144. And 11 squared is 121. 144 plus 121 equals 265. Take the square root of both sides. C equals the square root of 265. Now we're going to solve for sine of 2x, which equals 2 sine of x times cosine of x. Now we're going to use this triangle to figure out the values of sine of x and cosine of x. So we have 2 times sine of x, which is opposite, over the hypotenuse, 12 over square root of 265 times the cosine of x, which is adjacent over hypotenuse. So we have 11 over the square root of 265. Now we're going to multiply the numerator. 12 times 2 times 11 264. And since they're the same numbers underneath the radicals disappear and you're just left with 265. So sine of 2x equals 264 over 265.